So on this project we had this old wooden house, 1880s house, with about 15 to 18 inches of dry stack rubble foundation. We needed to put a new foundation underneath that. As long as we're putting a new foundation under, that's putting us between the space above ground and down to the frost line. We got 5 feet of wall. We figured as long as we're doing that much excavation, we'd just go for a full 8-foot basement. So we've got the system of beams coming out from 2 center towers that we built inside. We've got individual pads on the outside supporting all this. So any of the movement that we've got in the house, we do little by little. We do a little there, a little here, a little here. Using just a standard bottle jack, supported the beams, we can bring it up a little bit out here, and it minimally moves it inside here. So these jacks work with the lever to provide a lot of leveling power across the house.
Although we didn't finish it today, we've made some progress and learned some things. And that is better than nothing, and hopefully, by the time we finish this house, it will be the best house we have ever lived in.